Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Please ignore my nails. I've literally just rush painted these in the space of 10 minutes just simply because I didn't want to have naked nails for this video, so I'm kind of regretting it now, but hey ho, they are a mess. But anyways, today I have got my first ever SHEMODERN haul, which I am so excited about. I have been wanting to try her products for quite a long time now after seeing all these wonderful videos showcasing these beautiful products, and I've been so keen to try them. And I've been a very lucky girl recently, and I happened to have won 2 giveaways. One was Leslie's giveaway from Hillbilly Nails and Makeup and More. I won a £10 SHEMODERN gift card from her. And then I was also lucky enough to win a $30 SHEMODERN gift card from Melinda from Beauty Bee Nails. So I've been very lucky, and I just want to say a quick thank you to both Leslie and Melinda. Both giveaways were fantastic. There were so many prizes and I just feel so lucky to have won. So thank you so much to both of you two. Please head over and check out both of their channels. They both post fantastic videos all of the time. So please definitely head over and subscribe to them and show them some love. But today I'm just going to be showing you my new goodies. I'm literally so excited. I placed 2 orders for SHEMODERN and I received one of them last week. And then one come today, so I've been waiting patiently because I wanted to do them both together, and I've been patiently waiting for like a week now and sort of not dived into the first lot of goodies because I've been waiting to see this video. So I had a sneak little peek, but I haven't like looked at them in great detail yet, so I'm not too sure what I got, but I'm really freaking excited. I was really impressed with delivery as well. I think both of them only took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to arrive, which is really impressive. I was expecting to be waiting for quite a while, but no, they've both turned up super quick, so I'm so happy. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to dive in and have a look at what I've got. I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe. And other than that, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to do my first order first and show you guys what I've got. With this order, I used my lovely £10 gift card that I won from Leslie, and I also purchased 4 glitters. I think I will double check and see what I did actually purchase, but I've been given so many extra goodies and I'm like super excited, and thank you so much to SHEMODERN for your generosity. I can't believe how much I've got here, and yeah, I'm really excited to dive in. Okay, so as for decals, this is the first sheet that I picked out. I absolutely love the variety of colours that you can get from SHEMODERN. I'm just going to take that off for the moment. I'm sorry for the reflection of my light, but it's hard to show you the colours otherwise. But you can literally pick between so many different colours, like they're completely customisable, and you get a choice of 2 colours. So I think that's absolutely great, and I've never come across another website that does that. But here you've got like rainbow sort of lines, squiggly lines. And yeah, these are the first ones that I chose, and I just went for all round rainbow of these ones. Like you can pick 2 colours, but I just put rainbows both my 2 colours. I will pop a screenshot up on the screen now so you can see what I mean by options, but I just love the idea that you can pick and sort of choose between like what sort of colours you want. They're all sort of metallic and foily and they're really pretty. But yeah, these are the first ones. They're just like rainbow squiggly lines, which I thought were fantastic, and I can't wait to use them. Okay, and then here we have got some butterflies. These ones, as you can see, I went for the rainbow again, but I also went for like a silver sort of sparkly holographic, and these are brilliant. So you've got like the sort of 3D effect sort of butterflies, is that what you call it? I don't know, but sort of like flying in motion, and then you just sort of got like the flat butterflies there, and then you've also got some like grassy bits down here, which I thought were brilliant. But yeah, they're so pretty. It's really hard to show you guys the full colours of them, but yeah, you got proper rainbow and then silver holographic, and yeah, I really like them. And then here we've got some Halloween ones. I saw these and I had to have them, so I really like the bats. And I figured it's really not that long to Halloween now, and Halloween is like my favourite time of year for nails, and I cannot wait to get these out and use them. So we've got like a little cemetery sort of scene down here with a tree and like a grave and a little bat, and you've got 2 different sizes of them. You got some red pumpkins, some spiders and some bats, again like different sizes, great options. And as you can see, I went for rainbow again. But yeah, I really love them. They are so cute. And then we've got some Christmas ones, because again, it's really not that long till Christmas. I was only saying the other day that I'm going to start thinking about Christmas shopping soon. There's so many people to buy for. It's really not that long away. But yeah, I picked up these ones. So we've got the snowflakes, got snowmen, we've got little wreaths, we've got some little holly, and some little Santa's hats as well. And of course, rainbow again. As you can tell, I love my rainbow. But yeah, they're so shiny and I can't wait to use them at Christmas time. And then these ones are not ones I actually picked out myself. SHEMODERN has given me these extra, which I'm really thankful for. They are so cute. We've got some red bows, flowers, hearts and some stripes, as well as some silver holographic ones. But like these ones are different to the other silver holographic. So the silver holographic in these butterflies is like a speckledy silver holographic, and then these ones are just more of like a straight up holographic. But like that's what I mean about options. It's literally like you can even down to like the speckles and stuff you can pick, which is great. I was really shocked at like the options that you can pick for the decals, but yeah, absolutely love them. And then some other extras that I have been given. We've got some reusable stencils. I've never used these before, but I definitely will give them a go at some point. Got this one, it's got all like ziggy-zaggy sort of lines on it. This one here, which I really like this sort of triangular sort of pattern. They sort of look like teeth. Almost looks like a roller coaster as well. And then we've got this one here, which should be good for like doing like neat sort of like smile lines, I suppose. But yeah, I've never used any of those before, but they're quite cool. I know Karina sent me one a while back, and I actually still haven't got around to using it, but I will definitely give them a go at some point and see what they're like. And then I've been given a whole entire bag of little accessories and bits. So we've got one of these sponges, which are great for like gradients and stuff. We've got one of these, which I've not seen before, but that will definitely come in useful. Likewise with that one. We've got like the old school sort of eyeshadow applicators, which are fantastic for the pigments. We've got this little brush, the most adorablest little cute little brush. Like, look at that, isn't it adorable? It's so thin and so tiny. But I love that, that's like the cutest little brush ever. Been given this one. I'm not really too sure what I'd use these for, but like I know I'll end up picking it up at some point and using it for something. Now that could be quite good for maybe sort of cleaning up. I don't know. If anyone knows what you meant to use that for, please let me know. I've got an even smaller one there as well. They're cool. And then we've got this little thingy-majiggy. And it just sort of got like a cottony bit on the end again as well. And then we've been given a small little spare bottle with the little thingy and a lid, which is excellent. 2 little swatch rings. And then this sort of like plasticky sheet thingy, which I'm not too sure what that's meant to be used for, but I'm sure it'll definitely come in handy. Okay, so then we've got a whole load of these like pots of paints and glitters. So these 4 are ones I actually picked out and ordered myself. I've heard so many positive things about these water paints that I just sort of had to try them. So this is the first one that I picked. It's called Blue Ocean, and it's the glitter water paint. Super sparkly, super pretty, and yeah, I really cannot wait to give these a go at some point. They literally, like, everyone hypes them so much and says how like good quality they are, so I really cannot wait to try them. But look how sparkly it is, so pretty. And then I went for Purple Lavender, which again, super sparkly and super pretty. I cannot wait to give that one a go. This one I think is my favourite. I love it. Look at it, it's called Green Apple, but I just love that shade of green, and with the sparkle and everything, absolutely beautiful. And then this one here, which is Yellow Lemon. But yeah, love that a lot. I cannot wait to try those. And then look, all these extra goodies. I can't believe how much extra she sent. I'm so grateful, and thank you so much to SHEMODERN if you're watching. I really do appreciate it. You really didn't have to, but thank you so much. So we've got small water paints. This one is the opaque pure white water paint, and it does look very white. I cannot wait to try that out, and I absolutely love these little bottles. And like, look at the bright neon pink lid, that's awesome, and a nice shiny sticker. I love that. And we've got a pearl blue sapphire one, so it's just sort of more like a shimmery blue. thought that's really beautiful. I love that. We have got a sheer yellow solid pigment, which I can't wait to try. I love my yellows, and yeah, I'm really excited to try out these pigments. They look awesome. So thank you so much to SHEMODERN. We've got a jelly purple lilac water paint. I don't have any jelly polishes or anything like that, so I can't wait to try this out. It has some gel polish that sort of got that sort of jelly like effect to it, but I've not got no like proper jelly sort of ones. So yeah, I can't wait to try that, and it's in purple and I love purple, so yeah, I'm well excited about that. We've got an opaque pure black water paint. Again, really excited to try that out and see what it's like. We have got a foil shield sealer. I'm not entirely sure what I'm meant to do with that, in all honesty. I'll have to do some research, but yeah, I'm excited to find out what it does do and try it out. But yeah, awesome. We've got some glue, air dried to clear, medium tack, water based. I love the variety of stuff that she sells as well. There's like a bit of all sorts on there. And then we've got, I've been loving the look of these Galaxy Twinkle pigment powders. This is Galaxy Twinkle translucent pigment powder in gold, but like, it's so pretty. It's so sort of pearly. It's gorgeous. Absolutely love that. I cannot wait to try that. And then last but certainly not least, we have got this glitter silver hollow sparkle. It looks like the most ultra fine like dust sort of glitter. That looks incredible. And it's so pretty and holographic, so yeah, I can't wait to try that. So yeah, that is my first order, and like, I can't believe how much I got. It's literally like, I love it all so much. Thank you so much to Leslie for giving us the opportunity to win gift cards of SHEMODERN, and also thank you to SHEMODERN themselves, especially for all these extras. Like, I'm absolutely gobsmacked. But yeah, love them a lot, and I'm so excited to try them. So then on to your second order. It's got another bag of accessories. It looks like they're exactly the same as the first lot, so I won't get them out and show you guys again, but yeah, very happy about that. So just like before, I'm going to start off with the decals. So these are the first ones. They're sort of like a woman sort of blowing a kiss with a little love heart. I just thought they were very unique and different, and I really like the look of them. So I got them in matte black and rainbow, as you can see sort of there. And it's like a great variety of sizes. Got like the small, sort of medium and the large, which I really like. And then we've got some butterflies again. So we've got a sort of like the flying butterflies. We've got some bigger grass, and then some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. And I chose like the red sort of speckledy metallic, and then also silver hollow speckles again. Really gorgeous. Love them a lot. And then we've got these ones. I chose these ones because I really like the look of sort of like the barbed wire fencing. I thought that's really cool, and as you can see, I got them in like just a normal silver and then rainbow again. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got these ones here, which are the butterflies again, also in matte black and rainbow with a little grass. So pretty. Okay, and then I ordered another set of these gorgeous different pigments and stuff. Again, like, the options are incredible. You don't have to buy like particular sets, like you can pick and choose a bit more as well, which I really liked. So I chose this Galaxy Twinkle one again, the translucent pigment powder, but this time in purple. And then I also ordered it in gold because I didn't realise that I'd been sent a gold in the first order, which is perfectly fine. I think I'll just pass this on to one of my lovely nail friends, but they're so beautiful, and yeah, I absolutely love them. So then I also ordered this gorgeous green mint glitter. It's a hollow sparkle one. The hollow isn't really showing up on camera, but it looks like a really gorgeous glitter, and it's so fine. And then this sheer yellow sparkle pigment, which again just looks awesome. Like, it's a very subtle sparkle, but it's definitely there, and that shade of yellow is gorgeous, very sort of sunflower yellow. But yeah, I love them. And then she sent me some more extras again. I can't believe the generosity. Like, thank you so much, SHEMODERN. I literally cannot wait to try all this. We've got an opaque pure red water paint. I love red. I really cannot wait to try that. We have got another sheer yellow solid pigment. So again, I think I will pass that one on to somebody else. So beautiful though. We have got a sheer clear white sparkle pigment. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I don't think I have a pigment like that either. That's absolutely stunning. And then we've got a sheer clear white solid pigment. This one isn't sparkly, it's just a plain white pigment. But again, I don't have nothing like this. Like all mine are like sparkly or, you know, like iridescent in some way or another. So I'm really excited to try these ones. Oh wow, look, I got some glow in the dark pigment powder. Oh, I can't wait to try that and see how that goes. I wonder, I'll turn the light off. I've got the other light on in the room as well, but you can sort of see how it glows. Yeah, really excited. I cannot wait to try that. We've got a pure I was going to say Lelo then. I've said that since I was a kid. But yeah, we've got an opaque pure yellow water paint. I love that colour of yellow. It's sort of very buttery sort of yellow, but absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got another mint green glitter, but this one isn't hollow, it's a radiant sparkle. So it sparkles slightly different. But again, really love the colour. It's very, very, very pretty. And then last but certainly not least, we have got a glue gel, which is for dry colouring pigment glitter. So I think that is made as for the pigment powder. So I think what you do is maybe put a layer of this on, you cure it for 30 seconds and then put the pigment powder on. But I'm not entirely sure on that because I normally use top coat. But yeah, I have to do some research on that again. But I love these little stickers that are on it. But yeah, that is everything. So as you can sort of see here, I've got a hell of a lot of stuff. I'm never going to be able to fit all that in frame, but yeah, I'm really, 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 really happy with everything that I've got here. I cannot wait to sit down and have a play of it all. Massive, huge thank you again to Leslie from Hillbilly Nails and Makeup and More, and Melinda from Beauty Bee Nails, and also SHEMODERN. I absolutely love the look of all these products. I will definitely be leaving some reviews once I've tried it all out. And yeah, SHEMODERN, if you're watching this, thank you so much for all the extras. You really didn't have to do that, but it's absolutely amazing. And yeah, I'm so excited. They look absolutely wonderful. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Like, I'm so grateful. And yeah, I'm in that sort of like waffly happy mode again that I sort of go into. You sort of tell I'm happy because I start waffling. I love it all. I can't wait to have a play and get creative with all of this. And yeah, there'll be lots of videos and pictures to come, I'm sure. So I hope you have all enjoyed the haul. I certainly have. I'm literally buzzing, as you guys can probably tell. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. But definitely go over and check out SHEMODERN's website. I will leave that in the description box, and also subscribe to SHEMODERN, to Leslie and Melinda as well. All fantastic channels with lots of great videos to watch. I will also leave all of those linked in the description box below. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video, okay?